Welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. You are watching the campus television channel of Don Bosco College, Kottayam. This lecture is on the prescribed syllabus of first semester BA English Literature and Language. Paper is Introduction to Literary Studies 1. In this lecture, I am going to deal with the poet Edgar Allan Poe. Edgar Allan Poe. Birth year is 1809 and death year is 1849. Edgar Allan Poe is an American writer, poet, editor, and literary critic of the 19th century. Poe is best known for his poetry and short stories, particularly his tales of mystery and macabre. He is widely regarded as a central figure of Romanticism in the United States and of American literature as a whole, and he was one of the country's earliest practitioners of the short story. He is also generally considered the inventor of the detective fiction genre and is further credited with contributing to the emerging genre of science fiction. Poe was the first well-known American writer to earn a living through writing alone and resulting in a financially difficult life and career. Next, let us see his early life and family. Edgar Allan Poe was born on January 19, 1809 in Boston, Massachusetts. Poe never really knew his parents, Elizabeth Arnold Poe, a British actress, and David Poe Jr., an actor who was born in Baltimore. His father left the family early in Poe's life, and his mother passed away from tuberculosis when he was only 3. Separated from his brother William and sister Rosalie, Poe went to live with John and Frances Allen, a successful tobacco merchant, and his wife in Richmond, Virginia. Edgar and Frances seemed to form a bond, but he had a more difficult relationship with John Allen. Edgar Allan's best-known works include Poem to Helen, published in the year 1831, The Raven, 1845, and Annabel Lee, 1849. Short stories of wickedness and crime, The Tell-Tale Heart, published in the year 1843, and The Cask of Amontillado, 1846. Supernatural horror story, The Fall of the House of Usher, published in the year 1839, and so many other works were written by Edgar Allan Poe. In this lecture, we studied about the poet Edgar Allan Poe. Do the given exercise and submit on time. Thank you.